Let's continue autocorrect. I will go to autocorrect options there. All right. And we have apply as you type automatic bulleted list, border lines, automatic numbered, of course, bullets in numbering if you remember, something like dash space or number 1 dot space. Also, they're working on table, border lines, and heading styles, which I will mention later on advanced section. And automatically, as you type format beginning of the list for list and set left and the first indent with tab, and define a style based on your formatting. I just want to mention this item here because it is very useful. Set left and first indent with tab and spaces. Okay and okay. If I create a random text, if you go to the beginning of the paragraph and press tab, it will automatically apply it. And if I continue making new paragraph, you see what's happening. It's making indent for first line. This is also working from very beginning. Tab, start typing some text, space. That's useful because of formatting a paragraph. What do I mean by that? I mean, if I create a random text, 1 and 4 for now, and if I click beginning of the paragraph and press tab key, now it has first line indentation. Now it will continue. Let me create a random text. You see? Now it's gonna work. Of course, you know that if I remove by pressing backspace, we could also use the format painter to apply. I could select them, format painter, and start dragging to apply all paragraphs. For the rest of autocorrect, autocomplete, and auto formats, also actions, I will mention in the advanced section. For instance, we have preservation for styles, for auto format as a plain text or for email documents. We have ordinals of fractions and hyphens, although I mentioned here replace, but you might confuse what is difference or relation between this replace and auto format in utype. But I think that's enough for now. I will introduce them all, especially about XML and scripting in the advanced section.